Hey guys, it's me, and the point of me making the channel update is because of the few episodes of Let's Play, I'm going to record it with some of my friends, and they are going to be different friends. So you guys got to know their names, and basically my name, cause our voice is like the same. So if one of them like says my name as Hafiz, it's okay, that's my name. But most of the people call me Blue, as it is my nickname, and I like the color blue. Okay, so and I just updated my version to 9.5, and I don't know what's changed. Maybe I make an update video. I mean the Minecraft update, not this update video, but maybe I don't, because sometimes I'm a little bit busy. Sometimes, but I try to make it to you, and sorry about that. And bye bye.